If you've been scrolling through social media lately, you've probably seen ads for the HHVB Tirzepatide Patch, a so-called breakthrough weight loss patch claiming to deliver the same results as prescription medications like Mounjaro or Zepbound. Today, we're breaking down whether this patch is revolutionary or just another cleverly marketed scam. First, let's talk about what this product claims. The HHVB Tirzepatide patch advertises itself as a transdermal way to deliver tirzepatide, the same active ingredient used in real, FDA-approved injectable weight loss medications. That alone makes it go viral fast, but also raises some major questions. Now, here's where things get interesting. The patch sells for around $40, and the company claims it works 20 times longer than traditional injections that normally cost $500 to $700 a month. If that sounds too good to be true, it's because it probably is. Claims like this are instantly suspicious, especially when the price is that low compared to regulated medical treatments. And it doesn't stop there. The marketing behind this patch falsely lists endorsements from organizations like the so-called Obesity Association, which doesn't actually exist. On top of that, many of the testimonials they show, like people supposedly losing 70 pounds in just a few months, are unrealistic, unverified, and often inconsistent across their platforms. But here's the biggest red flag of all. There is no proven science showing that tirzepatide or similar peptides can be absorbed effectively through a patch. Transdermal delivery for complex molecules like this is extremely difficult and requires advanced pharmaceutical engineering. The HHVB patch is not FDA approved, not medically verified, and has no published clinical evidence to support its claims. And finally, the marketing tactics. You'll notice they use classic pressure strategies, limited time offers, bulk discounts, countdown timers, and bold claims of being a revolutionary alternative to injections. These are textbook indicators used by scam or low credibility supplement companies to drive impulse purchases. So, is the HHVB Tirzepatide patch legit? Based on everything we've uncovered, the answer leans heavily toward no. The science doesn't add up, the claims aren't verified, and the marketing looks engineered to hook desperate buyers. If you're considering real tirzepatide treatment, always consult a licensed medical professional and avoid unregulated shortcuts that risk your money and your health. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know in the comments what product you want exposed next.